Calling all young animal heroes. Heroes of the Homestead is an action-packed adventure where kids become farmyard rescuers, solving puzzles and completing missions to help animals in need. Whether it's guiding lost sheep back to the pasture, bandaging a pretend injured horse, or building a safe coop for runaway chickens, every activity teaches kindness, quick thinking, and animal care, all while having a barn load of fun, with obstacle courses, vet roleplay stations, and even a mystery animal sound challenge. Black bears are found across North America, from Canada and Alaska to Mexico, and from the Atlantic to the Pacific coasts. Black bears have an exceptional sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a dog's, and they rely on it to locate food. Black bears are omnivorous, with a diet that includes berries, Hamsters are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night and sleep during the day. This can be a consideration for potential pet owners who are light sleepers or prefer daytime interaction with their pets. Hamsters have large cheek pouches that extend down to their shoulders. They use these pouches to carry food, bedding, and even their young. Rabbits are highly social creatures and thrive in groups. In the wild, they live in colonies called warrens. Rabbits are herbivores and primarily eat grass, hay, leafy greens, and vegetables. Their diet is high in fiber, which is essential for their digestive health. Rabbits communicate through a variety of methods, including body language, vocalizations, Wolves are known for their complex social structures. They live in packs, which are typically family groups consisting of a dominant breeding pair, alpha male and female, their offspring, and sometimes other related adults. Pack sizes can range from 6 to 10 members, but larger packs have been observed. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation and carrying heavy loads. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail. Tigers are classified as endangered, with fewer than 4,000 individuals left in the wild. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict are major threats to their survival. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts, making them the fastest land animal. Cheetahs rely more on stealth and speed rather than strength, as they aren't the strongest predators. Cheetahs have semi-retractable claws that provide extra grip for high-speed chases. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts. Camels can survive without water for up to 10 days in extreme heat. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels can withstand body temperatures ranging from 93 degrees Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius, without sweating, helping them conserve water. Camels are herbivores and can eat almost any plant, including thorny bushes and dry grasses. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas. Mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions. And Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Zebras are social animals that live in groups. Moose are found in the northern regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in boreal and mixed deciduous forests, often near lakes, rivers, or wetlands. Moose are preyed upon by wolves, bears, and occasionally cougars. Their browsing habits can shape the structure of forests and wetlands. Leopards, Panthera pardus, are part of the big cat family and have several subspecies, including the African leopard, Indian leopard, Amur leopard, and Arabian leopard. Each subspecies is adapted to its specific habitat. Leopards are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of environments, including savannas, forests, mountains, and deserts. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are highly territorial and can be very aggressive. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, 320 to 340 degrees, to spot predators. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history. From transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport, horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Horses have been integral to human civilization, used in agriculture, Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan, typically living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Some elephants have been known to live even longer in captivity. Rhinos are found in Africa and Asia. White and black rhinos live in Africa, while Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos are native to Asia. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. White rhinos can weigh up to 200-300 kilograms, 5,070 pounds, while Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, weighing around 600 to 950 kilograms, 1,320 to 2,000 pounds. Sheep are highly social animals and prefer to stay in flocks. They feel stressed and vulnerable when separated from the group. Sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 individual sheep and humans for years. They can also remember complex paths and locations. Sheep were one of the first animals to be domesticated. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Females are smaller, typically weighing between 330 to 650 pounds, 150 to 295 kilograms. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell. With up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This makes them excellent at tracking scents. Dogs are highly intelligent and can learn commands, solve problems, and even understand human emotions. This hands-on experience blends storytelling with teamwork as children decode rescue clues, earn junior farmer badges, and learn fascinating facts like why cows have best friends or how goats communicate. Perfect for birthday parties, school field trips, or family fun days, the adventure ends with a heartwarming "thank you."